TradeView TraderPro. How to use the option spreads. Software tutorial.
This video tutorial will discuss option spreads. To place an order, go to the menu bar Trading, Order Tickets, and select Futures Options Spreads. First, pick the spread type in the drop-down list. Depending on the spread type selected, you will specify 2, 3, or 4 legs. Buy and sell fields will be pre-populated and may be locked from being changed. When entering legs, the spread must be created as defined by the exchange, or the buyer's perspective. Pay attention to the option rules in the bottom right for validation requirements with strike price and expirations. Type in the option symbol in the symbol field or click on the option chain. If using the option chain, type in the futures symbol and select an expiration. Then, left-click on the desired strike. It will populate the symbol field. Then choose Additional Strikes to complete the spread. The Suggest checkbox will be discussed in detail later in this video. Buy and sell. It is important to note that selecting Buy or Sell will not change the Buy-Sell drop-down options in the top portion of the window. Order specifications. The quantity can be changed by either using the up-down arrow or by clicking in the box and typing the desired quantity. Next, choose Market or Limit in the Order Type drop-down. If Limit is selected, type in a price. You can also click on the Bid or Ask Price in the Quote section. The Lock Price checkbox will keep the price static. If unchecked, it will update buy orders with the ask price and sell orders with the bid price. Once the price is updated, the lock price box will check again to prevent further changes. Finally, choose the time in force or flag. Day orders will remain working through the market close. GTC, or Good Till Cancelled, will work beyond one trading session unless cancelled or filled. Once all order details have been entered, click Transmit to place the order. An order confirmation window will appear. It displays legs that are bought with a plus sign and legs that are sold with a minus sign. Again, it is important to note that selecting Buy or Sell will not change the Buy-Sell drop-down options in the top portion of the order entry. However, the order confirmation will display which leg is bought or sold. The net price will display as well as the cost of trade. The dollar amount that will be paid will show as a debit, and the amount collected will show as a credit. If all order details are correct, click Submit to send the order to the exchange. If there are any corrections that need to be made, click Cancel and adjust. Suggest checkbox. The checked option will populate with the first closest strike available. It will auto-populate all legs. The filled box option will only populate a strike if there is only one valid strike available. For example, a straddle requires the same strike for both fields. Therefore, it will populate both fields. Otherwise, the field is left blank. Enter the base symbol, and a drop-down will list valid strikes. For information on the Template section or Execution Time section, please review the Standard Order Ticket video.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.